Hey everybody, John, Vaporonic Technologies here today. Wanted to show you a half and half on this little bitty Honda 50 Piston, which is now going to become a paperweight on somebody's desk here in the company. But I just wanted to show you, before and an after, so you can see the difference. I mean, this is magical in a vapor home. This was a glass bead that cleaned this little piston up in a couple seconds. If you're going to reuse parts like this, which it's super easy to do, if they're within spec and they're not damaged, you can clean them up and reuse them in your rebuilding process. And that's what we've done here. Just wanted to clean this part up to show you we're not reusing it, but beautiful little half and half. You can see the surface finishing difference. It's actually not changing the surface of the part, it's cleaning it very, very meticulously. You can still see some of the scuffing on the skirt here. That scuffing is not removed. Proven this countless times over the years. This is being used with OEMs every single day. We've sold processes and machinery to companies making and blasting the pistons. So pistons that are in your car or your motorcycle right now very well could have been through a vapor honing process at this point. We've worked some of the biggest manufacturers in the world that make aftermarket and of course just OEM equipment. If you're cleaning and refurbishing, this is a fantastic process for you as well. There's always an abrasive combination, pressure, and machine that's going to work best, and that's what we're here for, and we can help you figure that out. So give us a call if you have questions, or put your comments below. We love seeing those. Really appreciate you guys following us and giving us feedback. So thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.